Hello guys, welcome to the first video of how to make a second video of the how to make FiveM ESX server. So it's been a long time, I haven't uploaded the video like a month, and thanks for your support on the last video. I'm really thankful for that. So let's get started. So today we will be doing like inventory, loading screen, vMenu, and some hospital MLO. Okay, so there are things that are really easy to do. So first we will come to the inventory, then loading screen, then vMenu, and then we will put the pillbox. Okay, so first it's the server that we made first, so you can see it got all the things here. Okay, it got ESX here, it got HUD here, and it got standalone voice and everything. So we will also change the HUD. In the next video I will show you how to config the HUD and change the HUD, and I will also show you the phone uh, how to f- how to add phone to the server. So it's very easy, so watch till the end. So first of all we will config these things, then we will add directly into the server. Okay, so let's config the inventory first. So first we need to open the exam and then start it, because if we don't start it, our server will not run and we will errors. So first we will start these two and make sure the database is connected, and I will also open my heading SQL, and I will just do the local host here. Okay, so you see here I have a database called tutorial server. I'll just erase these. So it's our old database. Okay, you see it's the old database. So now first we'll open the inventory, then I will edit the SQL and just select Control A and then Control C. Okay, then I will go in head SQL and then go into the query ones. You see query tab here, go paste it, and then here you have to click run. Okay, you have to click the execute here. Then it will execute the SQL and add into database. So just refresh here and you can see the inventory is here. Okay, so now we had done the database for the inventory. Just now let's config the inventory. So I'll just open config.lua with Visual Studio Code, and it's opening. Okay, so now first we have the option config. Don't edit this option. Okay, it's like the for the configuration, so don't edit that option first one. So here we have config.player weight. So if you want the player weight to be enabled, I have enabled it true. Okay, so you can also turn it false. It's depend upon you. Okay, so the second we have config.default open key. So I have set it to L because I have seen that many servers use L, so that's why I did it. So you can users can change their key like in FiveM set keybinds and FiveM settings, so it's not a big matter. Okay, so configure drop timeout. So change it's the basically the timeout that the item that dropped on the ground will stay. So like if I dropped item and it will stay 600 seconds on the ground, then it will be disappeared. Okay, so configure close on you, just leave that. Okay, I'll just click Control Z. Okay, so click outside to close is equals true. If a player clicks outside the inventory, it will close. I have set true. I can also turn it to false. Okay, I'll also turn it to false. I turn it to false. Middle click to use. Uh, yeah, if a player use middle click on item, it will be used. True. Configure blur. I was also set to true, and sound effects also true. Okay. So if you want to enable the logs, you've got also option here, like you can just, and it's done. So that's how you turn on Discord logs. I'll just turn on true so that we can use Discord logs. Okay, So here the option you can use in inventory. Like if you want items inventory, I have true, weapons, cash, all that are true. Okay, if you want dirty money in the inventory or not, I have just put it the black money because I want the people to have black money in the inventory. So if you don't want it, just you can do erase all there and just click here false. Okay, just write false here. So hotbar, I have enabled the hotbar. I will show you what the hotbar is. Okay, so the hotbar key is tab. It's good. So hotbar timeout is like 3000. Okay, so these are the keys that will be used to use the hotbar. So the 1 2 3 are the default. Hotbar save hotbar on database. It's true. Hotbar loss is 6. You can just like increase it. Weights, you can set the weight for cash, black money, and pistol and everything in here. So plugins are here. So config.player. Okay, so config.player like player inventory. Okay, and glove box for the car inventory. Like glove box is like in the front of a vehicle, in the front of a driving seat. You see a little glove box there. So it's called the glove box. And trunk key true. I will just turn the rob to false. I don't want the players to rob each other. So here's the rob key, just like the hands up key is X. So we have turned it to false, so it will not work. So now we have glove box save true, glove box work is 30, and glove box timeout is 100. And trunk key, the key is used to trunk. The key used to open the trunk of the vehicle is Y. Trunk save is true. And you can see many more options here. You can customize them according to your needs. So we have customized the inventory, and now we will open. So first open the loading screen, and then we have the files here. So okay, so let's first open with code. Okay, I'll just open with code here, and then just go to index.html. Okay, so I'll change you how to change these. So here is the title of a server. So just let me open the loading screen real quick. So you see here the loading screen. You should have server name. Welcome to server name. You can change this to anything. Just like I'll change this to like, shares, subscribe, subscribe. Okay. So if I reload the loading screen, you see here like, share, subscribe. Okay. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Okay. So now we have the description here that you see there. Okay. You see the server filled with exciting gang jobs, everything. You see it's here. You can change it to anything. Just like I'll change this to tutorial 5M server by Hunter. Okay, I can change this to anything. So if I you see there. Okay, so if you want to change this, you see this here, you see this here, you see this server name here, you can also change this and logo and everything. Okay, so to change them, and you can also change the staff name here. So first of all we want to change the logo. Okay, so now to change the logo, just go to the assets, go to the media, and delete the logo .png. Okay, then add your logo here and rename it to logo.png, so it will be fine. Okay, so that's like I will remove that. Okay, and then I just had a logo, subscribe logo here. So just I will just bring it here, and its background removed. So I'll just click to F2 to rename it. Click just type logo here, and then you see it will be here. Okay, so to change this server name, you all you need to do is go to the assets, css, style.css. Just go down here, go down until you see here server name, overlay.container.information.title. After content, you see server name here. You can change it to anything you want. So I'll just change the tutorial server. Okay, so if I refresh and you see here tutorial server. Okay, So now if you want to change these links and everything the staff has, or you can want add this or more stuff here, or you can just rename the category to anything. So to change that, just close the CSS one, just go to the scripts and config.js. Here is the CFX IP. Okay, so you can just paste the CFX of your IP of your server. So here we have socials. You see the socials here, social media. Okay, so the categories label is social media. So you see social media, and other one is staff. So you see the staff here. Okay, so you can change it to anything. Just like I'll change it to uh my social media profiles. Okay, so you see my social media profiles here. So I will just I can also change the staff to anything like server managers. Okay, so you see server managers. Okay, so if you want to change the link to these, you can just do it. So you can do it, it's easy. Just go here, you see the name Discord, you can just change you see the name Discord, you can change it to anything, and the label to anything. Like I just want to I'll just name this same, and you can change the icons of these also, and like you can go to the icons and then change this and this. If you want to add more, just make sure to add the icons and then provide them here. So I just want to change the link of them, you can change the link of them here. Okay, here. And I want to just like I want to change the website to my website page. So you see here it's like my website page, and its description is visit our website. So you see I can just clear the visit out here and just you see our website. Okay, so social media is done. So now if you want to change the server managers, just go here, config.staff list, and then just change the name, description, and image here. Okay, so I will just change, I will just remain the same, remain the same, just I'll just change the name here, just like subscribe. Okay, description here is subscribe our channel. Okay, so if I go here and then submit, you see subscribe our channel, you can change this to anything you want. Okay, and you can add more, and you can add more here, it's not a big deal. Okay, just like I want to add one more, so I'll just copy this, paste here, and just like I'll just rename it to third staff, third staff. Okay, so I'll just refresh the page and you can see it's, if you drag it, you see third staff. Okay, so our loading screen is done. So now we can just close the loading screen also, and we can close this folder also. Here we have the V menu. Okay, here we have the V menu. So to use the V menu, you need just to customize it using this permissions.cfg. Okay, I already got the permissions.cfg here, which I set it up for you guys. Okay, so just you need to open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now I'll just go down here. Okay, I'll just remove this. I'll just remove this. Okay, and then remove this also. So we have identifier, we have like 2 or 3 identifiers. We use mainly 2 identifiers. First is team and other is FiveM. So here we will be using five steam. Just I'll just erase these. So use the steam identifier. Just I will open my steam real quick here. Have the steam hacks here. Okay, so we have the steam hack steam here. So to get the steam hacks, in order to use the V menu, you just need to go here, click on the profile, just go to account details. Okay, you click here and you see the steam ID here. Just need to copy it, open your browser. Okay, you need to copy the steam ID. Okay, I'll just copy it once again. Okay, I'll just copy it and just go to steam id.pro. Okay, So here you can find your Steam hacks and FiveM and everything. Just click paste here, okay, and just click lookup. So it will give you the FiveM Steam FiveM hacks. You see here FiveM hacks. Just copy it the hacks, okay. Go to permission.cfg, add identifier.steam like this, and then here I'll add a hashtag like hunter. So I can remember that that's the permission of the this uh, hunter, okay, this person. So like if there are many admins in your server and you want like organized thing, you can just do it here, okay. So if I make another one like this, if I and I will just do it like the hunter 2, okay. So you can do it like that. So there are a couple of permissions that you can edit, okay, and it's very easy. Like if you want to add as group.admin like saved vehicles allow, you can allow them the saved vehicles or you can disable them. Or if you want able admin not to spawn the vehicle, you can just click false, write false here. So there are many permissions here, okay. So you can customize them regarding to your needs. So once you are done with the permission.cfg also, just close it. I'll just close the browser also, and just the Steam must be running in the background if you're using Steam as an identifier, okay. So now then we just got this everything. So first we will just call such first we will open our tutorial video tutorial server. I already have a permission.cfg. I will delete it, okay. Just drag the permission.cfg here in like with server.cfg, okay. And we will go to resources, and I'll just create a folder called scripts, okay, just like this scripts, okay. And open it and then drag all these things in here, okay. We also got a MLO for our pillbox, so I'll just make another folder to keep it organized. So I'll just create a folder named MLO and just open here. Just I'll drag the pillbox up MLO here, okay. So now we need to start these two folders, so I'll just open my server.cfg and just copy the name of this scripts folder and then ensure it. I have already ensured them. Oh, you see I already ensured them, okay. So I'll just ensure them once again for you guys, and you guys can also do it. So I have also ensured the MLO here, and for make sure to start put the V menu, make sure to put the V menu outside of the any folder, like in resources, but do not put it in any folder. Just like I have put it here, you can just put it here, okay. And start the V menu, okay. And then after you have done it, just go here up and just click type execute permissions.cfg, okay. Once you're done with that, just close it, and you have got the MLO here, okay. So now make sure your exam is on. So exam is on here, so we will just so let's start the server. So you see, so once the server is started, you will see that our things will be activated, okay. So it's like running a webpack, so let it done, okay. Make sure to like and subscribe, we're close to. So we are in the file right now, so I have the server started. So let's connect to the server. You see here, connect to desktop like this, or you can just like write connect localhost, and then it will connect to the server, okay. So you see there is inventory, our inventory loading screen, and it has loaded. So let's go. So you see our loading screen is loaded. We did the things that we changed are working fine, okay. So let's give it a moment to load real quick, and we will also test out the things like inventory V menu and our hospital MLO. If you want to fix this real quick, so just you, I'll just tell you in the last how to fix this thing. Okay, it's very easy to fix this. So our server's loading. If you want to do the music real quick, you just press space and then space once again, and it will just load the music for you. So let it load. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and if you guys have any problem related to the server, you can just join the Discord. I'll help you out with anything. Like if your ESX not working or anything, if you want to change the or anything, I can help you guys there. Just make sure to join my Discord. So as you can see, we are loading into the server. It's done. Okay, so we are in the server. I saved the last time here. Okay, so if we see we are nothing here. Okay, so if you have added your correctly, Steam identify correctly, and Steam is running the background. If you press M, V menu will occur. Okay, so you got many options here like online players, random players, player related options like you can tell anything. For super jump, you can just do that like this in the server. If you want just super jump faster, you can do anything like that. If you disable it, you will not get a super jump. Okay. So if you see player appearance, prepared customization, you can also change the mask, anything. Okay, you can just change the mask, anything. You see that? So there are many options here like MIC settings, like developer tools, show coordinates. You will see coordinates here. If you want anything, show prop dimensions. You see, so vehicle dimensions and everything. You got connection options here. Okay, about view menu, recording options. World rating, you can change the weather to like clear, like extra sunny. Okay, then you can go to smoke here. You can just I'll just change it to extra sunny. Okay, so to open the inventory, you just need to press L, and you see it's open. I'll just change the chat to hidden. You see, you have got the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots in the hotbar and inventory. So we can use hotbar. So I'll just give myself item like weapon, combat, pistol with like 6,000 ammo.
You
Okay.
coming over later tonight, honey?
Oh, we had to do we give weapons. Sorry, it's give weapons. Sorry, I'm really sorry. So I got a combat pistol. So I'll just drag it to hotbar, and if I just press 1, you see the animation. It took the pistol out, and I'm gonna shoot it in the. You see, and if I just press 1 again, it will just do it. You can use anything. Just if I want to give item 1 bread, like 6 breads there. Okay. So if you drag the bread here and just press 2, it will use the bread. Okay, so it's very easy to do it. So now you can press is equals to sign to like no clip and everything. So let's go and check out the hospital right quick. So I'll just go here to the hospital. Where's the hospital? Over here is the hospital. Okay, so you see here's the hospital. You see the hospital here. It's our hospital. It's our hospital. You can change the coordinates of it from like if you want the coordinates like from here to here, you can change it very easily. It's very easy in the config, and if you want help running it, you can contact me on my Discord server. So hope you guys like the video. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, like, share, subscribe the video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.